Hey everyone! If you're looking to reduce facial hair naturally, you're in the right place. Today I'm sharing some fantastic natural hacks that you can try at home. Let's dive in. First up, we have turmeric and milk. Mix 1 teaspoon of turmeric with enough milk to make a paste. Apply it to your face, let it dry, and then scrub it off gently. The anti-inflammatory properties of turmeric help slow down hair growth. Next, papaya and turmeric. Take a few pieces of ripe papaya and mash them up. Add half a teaspoon of turmeric powder and mix it well. Rub this paste on your face and leave it on for 15 minutes. Rinse off with warm water. Papaya contains an enzyme called papain, which helps break down hair follicles. Another great remedy is gram flour and rose water. Combine 2 tablespoons of gram flour, a teaspoon of lemon juice, and enough rose water to make a thick paste. Apply it to your face, let it dry, and then scrub it off. This mixture not only helps to reduce hair, but also exfoliates your skin. Don't forget about egg white and cornstarch. Beat an egg white and add a tablespoon of cornstarch and sugar. Mix it well and apply a thin layer to your face. Once it dries, peel it off gently. Egg white helps to tighten the skin and reduce hair growth over time. Lastly, sugar and lemon. Mix 2 tablespoons of sugar with the juice of 1 lemon and some water. Heat it until it becomes a thick, sticky paste. Once it cools slightly, apply it to your face and peel it off. This acts as a natural wax and can help reduce hair growth over time. Remember, consistency is key, and results may vary. Give these natural hacks a try and see what works best for you. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips on natural remedies. Catch you next time.